Now what?
You know, Jin, as much as I enjoy our chats, we're a little busy.
You said before I didn't know what was going on, so why don't you educate me?
Look who finally figured out that 4 people aren't taking on the entire COG army just for the hell of it.
Took her long enough.
Here's what I propose. We all go back to New Ephyra and you tell me exactly what's out here.
You've seen them, haven't you?
This isn't an intelligence summit, Lieutenant.
Yeah, that's pretty obvious.
What's obvious is that my efforts to keep our society united is the only chance we have against whatever's out here.
You actually believe the bullshit that comes out of your mouth, don't you? Must be comforting, since no one else does.
Lieutenant?
I'm not your fucking lieutenant!
JD, what's happening?
James!
Watch out for those quills! Drag out!
Ready to roll!
Yo, what the hell happened to Jen?
Just... I don't know, we'll sort it out later. We need to get to that radio tower.
Wait. You hear that?
Yeah, sounds like Jin didn't come alone.
What is this?
Jin's bucketheads are taking on the storm.
Unlawful citizens identified.
Jeez. Never thought I'd be rooting for a bunch of dances.
Got a drone!
Cease and desist all hostile activity. Reloading weapon. Reload engaged.
We got a Guardian coming in!
Suppress them.
Making it stronger! That'll help. Let's do this. Eat that!
Suppress them.
Watch out!
Suppressing.
Throwing grenade!
Suppressing.
I got you, hang on!
Locked and loaded. Okay, I think that's all of them. For now.
Then let's head to the radio tower.
Hey, come on. Let's get this open. There it is. Radio tower, dead ahead.
Okay, so what did happen to Jen's bot?
I think that Pouncer's quills hacked into it somehow.
How would that work?
A bioelectric field, maybe?
Or some kind of voltage-gated ion channel.
Oh, yeah. That makes sense.
It does.
Locked. We gotta find a way around.
Hey, there's a factory up ahead. Let's make our way through.
Nest!
Let's deal with him!
Hey! We got more of them! Suppression!
Guys, we got a scion!
Fall back! Get some cover!
Another scion!
Got it, drone! Okay, we're clear.
Let's just get inside the factory before any more show up.
Hey, help me with this.
Well, look at that. An old Centaur factory.
Oh, you used to ride in these heaps, huh?
They weren't so bad. A little cramped. It broke down all the time.
That sounds like they were pretty bad.
Yeah, maybe. But they got the job done. Look sharp! We got drones!
Ah, shit! Another scion! Incoming frag! Throw him down! All right, it's over. Now, let's find a way out of here.
Better load up on ammo while we can.
Oh, you think we'll need it?
Yeah, Del. Unless your Lancer runs on smartass.
Seems to be working so far.
The radio tower should be just ahead, up this hill.
Yeah, and I'm sure we'll get there without a hitch. Where's the hitch?
Get to cover!
Your hitch!
I think the guy on that turret has something against us!
We gotta take him out!
Oh, yeah! Brains was wasted on you. Lick. Fuck that drone! Okay, we're done here. Dad, you ready to make that call?
I've been ready.